Take a ride in the 2009 370Z. With its richly crafted, driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first Synchro-Rev match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.